Here I've got a clogged drain. It's kind of sludgy. I guess it's mostly pollen and probably old rotten leaves.
Here's a cross section of a catch basin, also called a sump. It's designed to hold some water, and when the water rises to the level of the drain pipe, it can run down the pipe to the storm sewer. The catch basin acts as a trap for debris and sediment. It catches leaves, pine needles, and anything else that gets washed in by the water. The L-shaped downturn of the pipe keeps sediment and debris from going down the drain. So the stuff settles to the bottom, and eventually, if it's not cleaned out, it can get full of stuff up to the level of the pipe, which blocks the drain. It has to be cleaned out once in a while. I'll pump the water out. And I'm going to drop this pump down there and pump the water out. I wonder if I have enough pipe to tie into this downspout, possibly. Try that. I'll try to hold it down with this. Draining. Oh yeah, it's draining. It's going down quick now. There's a lot of water. Alright, well that's draining. Come over here and finish cleaning up this drain. See if I can. Got a hoe and got a bucket. go. Clean drain.